Needed flatbed drivers for step deck in Conestoga with opportunity. Direct deposit weekly. Sign-on bonuses. Paid orientation and paid clean inspections. $2,000, $2,300 based on driver's performance. New equipment 2022 and 23 trucks and trailers. Fast maintenance at our shop located at the yard. 24/7 assistance. Weekly pay on direct deposit. Flexible home time. Dedicated all year-round projects. Sign-on bonus. $125 per month for 1 year plus 1 week paid vacation. Travel and lodging provided during orientation and breakdown. Earning on average from $85,000 to $100,000 per year gross. Paid orientation $75 per day for qualified drivers. Looking for a better job? Join us C1 Transportation.